Hi guys, and welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, hey, Casper Nyovest just got married, Casper Nyovest got married Gesana, and it was trending, and it feels like they just wanted to keep it a secret, but yeah, as you know, being a celebrity man, and the wife is busy with the cell phone now, and like people are just criticizing this marriage, like because this video was posted on Facebook and people were busy saying, yeah, so her cell phone is much more important than her wedding. And by the look of things, guys, I think Lapayana, it was at the Lobola celebration, but I don't know, but you can see what they definitely wanted to keep it a secret. Like, why would you be doing those things at night? But yeah, I being a celebrity, guys, nothing is a secret there. But Shemai Mugel is beautifully jealous down. I know a lot of people are just criticizing Casper Nyovest for not marrying his baby mama. But guys, it could be the other way around. What if the girl doesn't want Ukespa? Because like we all know these people, man, with entertainment industry, man, they cannot be trusted, So maybe Mugel is like, you know what, I do not want you and whatnot. But Aishem, it's so sad. Imagine it, having a child with someone and then watching them getting married, like ziyakhala, but zizikhalela sonke, guys. They are not the only ones. Hey, they are not the only ones. But yes, Casper Nyovest has just got married. He's off the streets. He's off the streets. We wish them nothing but the best, and I just hope and pray that people can just stop man criticizing them. We don't know the real thing, what happened. We might say Casper Nyovest unjikelile, but we do not know. Now on the other news, guys, hey, ikhona ziyakhala kumjolo, guys. Ugcinile ke, the famous ex-girlfriend of Ukrutmani, as they say, she decided to cover the tattoo with the boyfriend's name. Guys, I think this time shame is really over. Hey, I think it's really over, because like they've been breaking up, but she was not covering the tattoo, and the way Ukrutman is just embarrassing the poor girl is just so uncalled for. She was insulting her and saying all of those sort of bad things, but Aisha ziyakhala, and apparently yena Ukrutmane, she is dating a married girl. Like ziyakhala emjulweni, you just want to date for the sake of dating because your partner has moved on, and looking at ama videos on TikTok, it looks like vele girl, she has moved on, but we will see, we don't know. And I like the fact that now she is focusing more on her business, on her makeup business. She is conducting makeup classes. She is just trying to grow her business, focusing on getting the bag. I like that for her, and I like that she has moved on. She has covered the tattoo. Like, kuningi, but hi guys, noma ngingaba semathandweni kanjani, I don't see myself doing a tattoo of some other guy, even if he just offers to pay for it. There is no way I'm doing a tattoo yomunye umuntu. Like, a tattoo, guys, is permanent. Hey, please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one.